a gun. Shoot me with a gun. Shoot me with a gun. Shoot me with a gun.
Welcome to our Guns in America debate. And here I have Ida, Stine, Elle, and Stine. And my name is Wendy. So, let's begin. What do you think about guns in America? Christine.
I think it's okay to own a gun in America if you're using them for hunting or something, but otherwise I think they should be illegal because you shouldn't be allowed to have a gun just for fun.
What if you're hunting people? Is that okay?
No. Can I say something?
Yeah.
I don't think that it is not okay to just hunt for fun. I think it's not right, but if it's to fill up if it's to get some food, it's okay, but fun it's a little wrong.
I agree. Do you think that guns should be legal or not?
I think that should be illegal.
Why?
Because I don't think that guns is a good thing.
Why?
I only see them as a weapon. I don't see them if you're hungry and you want to eat a rabbit or something. I can't see them.
Christine.
I agree with Elle because I don't think you should have a gun for private use, but it's okay in the military and the police, I think.
But if it's, you can also use it as protection in some situations. But there's a fine line between what's right and wrong.
I don't think that you should use them as a self-protection. I mean, if you're attacked by someone and you're gonna have a gun. No.
But sometimes it's necessary.
Now.
Now?
No.
It can be in war. It can also be used for good things, for ending a war.
Yeah, but that is what I see.
Protecting the country.
Yeah. But I think that
Guns has some kind of power, and sometimes you just need power to control something.
Yeah.
Okay. Who should be allowed to own or use a gun? Elle.
I think that the only one who should use a gun or own a gun is the military because they are like protecting our country.
And the police.
Yeah. Yeah, but that's the same as military. Almost.
No.
Yeah.
The police. If no one had guns, then we wouldn't have the problem with all the criminals. So the military wouldn't have a gun. Yeah, whatever.
I don't think that the private person should have a gun because I think it's wrong. It's wrong.
Stine said that if the military didn't have a gun, then we wouldn't have all of those problems. But guns are not guns. Guns are not the only thing are dangerous because criminals can also just beat the victims with their hands and weaponize a gun to
Yeah, okay, but that's
attack.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yes, it does.
Do you have any experience with a gun?
I'll go to see it again.
Do you have any experience with a gun?
No, I only tried one in some toy guns.
Yeah.
In-
Du har sommerland.
Yes.
Okay. Would you use a gun to protect your own life? Stine.
I don't know. I could ever shoot anyone, even though they were about to kill me. I don't think I have the guts to do it ever. But I don't know. It's hard to imagine.
I think that no, I wouldn't, because I think it's wrong. No, I just don't like the way they use a gun. But I think when you are in the situation, it's different.
I agree with Stine and Elle, but I don't think I could shoot someone with a gun. Not if it was my own life, but maybe if it was someone like a family member. Maybe, I don't know, I've never been in that situation before.
I didn't understand. To protect someone you care about?
Yes, maybe.
Oh.
But not herself, she don't care
I'm
about
not
herself.
good at explaining at this subject.
I will not use a gun. I think I will use a bat.
A baseball bat. Maybe.
Oh.
Maybe I could do it.
Of course.
What do you do?
I don't know, maybe. It depends on the situation.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right.
Do you know anyone who owns a gun? And why do they?
I don't.
Okay. Ida?
I don't know.
How about you?
Yeah, I don't know anymore.
Okay, what do you think about military and guns?
I think the military is one of the only places it's okay to have guns, because they are 100% allowed to own guns. So, and they're protecting us. So it's okay.
It's also, people in the military have like a check, so you know that they are smart people who doesn't shoot on everything, and they can handle the.
There's someone you can trust.
Yeah, exactly. I can find words. Yeah.
They're also trained to shoot.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I can handle it.
So
Right.
they just don't go ahead and shoot a civil, whatever you call them. I don't know.
That
A private
it
person.
brings, respect to. You have respect for them because they
Yeah.
have guns.
And they know how to use it.
Yeah.
It's not just the next person who walks in
No.
to shoot him.
Can you find a reason to why guns are good or bad? Stine?
They're good because you can use them to protect people against, I don't know, attackers. But they're also bad because the attacker can use guns to shoot
Attack
people.
It's a bad thing because you can take someone's life so quick and then it's gone and can't be taken back. So it's a very easy way to kill a person, and that's just wrong.
But do you have any good reasons?
Yeah, you can end a war or protect yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The end!
Shoot me with a gun. 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 Rock over London, rock on Chicago, raid and kills Buckstan.